Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all having a wonderful trading week ahead. So in this video, I'm going to explain all the secrets. I'm going to explain my trading strategy, the full details, the full breakdown, how to trade using my trading strategy. I've been receiving so many questions. How do you trade? What time do you enter your trade? How do you time your entry? So in this video, I'm going to break everything down. I want to explain step by step how to go about it, how you can trade using my exact strategy. So I focus most on the JPY pairs and the major pairs. So I focus also on the minus pair as well. So meaning I'm going to put the names of the pairs I focus on down in the description of this video. So after watching the video, go through a description to see all the pairs I trade and how I analyze the market. All right. So as you can see on the screen, this is the Canadian, the GBP card, and the GBP card is the Canadian dollar. So I'm going to explain the full breakdown. So I know most of you're watching this video. I know most of you already knew, or you're already advanced trader. So, but before you get started, with this video. So firstly, I need to explain to you how we analyze a trend on this channel. Because one thing about us in this channel, before we enter any trade, we want to know what we're supposed to be buying, if we're supposed to be selling. So this is the first concept we need to know. Because if we don't know we're supposed to be buying, we're supposed to be selling, then definitely we don't know what we're supposed to be doing in the market. So this is what I use to tell my student, and also this is what I use to tell my fellow traders as well. The first thing as a trader, you need to know your direction of the market. So the reason being is, are you supposed to be buying or are you supposed to be selling? So this is one of the key things we need to get in the back of our mind. So basically, I'm going to explain on this chart about our trend phrase. So we know that when the market is in the uptrend, the market is going to be making higher highs and higher lows. If the market is in the downtrend, the market is making lower highs and lower lows. So I'm going to explain in detail exactly. So what do I look for if the market is in the uptrend or if the market is in the downtrend? So what do I look for? So I'm going to remove the drawing tools so you can see exactly what I look for. All right, so I'm going to put back the drawing tools so we can get a clear explanation. We know that if the market is in uptrend, we also need to get this 1 to 3 move. So automatically, here's going to be my area of value. We are going to be looking for entry opportunities. Okay. So once the price come in between this resistance and support level, so this is where I'm looking for trading opportunity. This is where I'm looking for liquidity. This is where I'm looking for the market to push up to the upside. So now, do I want to just be trading because the market is in this my zone? No, I need to wait for my confirmation. So we have the candlestick pattern. So I need to see my hammer, my doji, my spinny top. So I need to see my confirmation of any of them appear on this level. So once I spot them, I need to enter my trade. So this is the first confirmation we need as well. And also I combine what we call multiple time frame analysis, which I'm going to be explaining more in detail about the video. So let's just focus on the basic of the strategy. So the same rules again for the downtrend. So once I get this 1 to 3 move to the downside, I already identify my area of value. They're going to be my support, they're going to be my resistance. So I wait for liquidity to come into this my area of value. Once I see my confirmation of my candlesticks, my hammer, my doji, my spinny top, and then I wait for price to push to the downside. So automatically my entry going to be here once I see my confirmation, and then my stop loss going to be above the previous support. So this is what they sell, and then the same thing my stop loss going to be below for the buy. So this is basically how I trade. I make my trading strategy very easy, very simple, no complicated. I mostly focus purely on price action. So there are some things we need to put in place. There are some rules this strategy have. So we need to focus more on that, about the session, when to exit the trade, when to enter the trade. So we need to pay more attention about that, which I'm going to be explaining more into this video. So pay more attention. So now we are currently on the forward time frame. So this is my routine. I already explained about the trend, yeah. So once I identify the trend, I want to first know so it might get in the up or the down. So this is the basic way of identifying the trend of the channel. So once I see this my move, we got another move to the side, and then we'll get the push to the upside. So as you can see, price finally break below this our previous level. So as you can see, price came here, and then the price didn't hold, and then finally break to the downside. So automatically, I no longer want to be buying on this pair. I only want to be looking for sell opportunity. So I'm going to remove the drawing tools as well, so we can know exactly what I'm looking for in this area value. So I'm going to place what we call the trend line. Okay. So as you can see, the price finally break below this level. I'm waiting for price to come back into this level, into this area of value. So take note, we are on the 4 hour time frame. I combine my time frame on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 30-minute time frame. So these are the 3 time frame I I combine my analysis. So I use the higher time frame, the forward time frame for my analysis, and then I switch down to the 1 hour and the 30-minute for entry. So as you can see, I already know that I'm looking for sell in this GBP card. So I'm going to switch down to the 1 hour time frame. So once I switch on to the 1 hour time frame, I'm waiting for price to come into this area of value, into this my zone, which we have already identified on the forward time frame. So once price come into this resistance here, so this is where I'm looking for price to come into this zone. So the market going to break down, and I'm waiting for price to come into the zone. So once I see price come into the zone, I wait for my confirmation, and then I'm going to be looking to shorts to sell this market. My stop is going to be just above this previous area. So this is what I look for. This is how I analyze my trade. As you can see, it's very easy, very simple, no complication. And also I put my moving average, which I'm going to insert on the chart so we can see. I'm going to tap the moving average. I use 2 moving average. I use the 50 period moving average, and I use the 200 period moving average. So why do I use them? It's very easy. I use them as a dynamic support and resistance. So yeah, this is how my chart look like on normal trading day. I don't try to complicate things. I try to keep my chart very clean and simple because we don't want to be doing analysis paralysis. So we need to keep our chart very clean and very easy so you can understand the direction of the market, so you can be able to identify the bias on the pair. So this is just the glimpse of what I do. So I'm going to insert the 200 period moving average. As you can see here, this is the 200 period exponential moving average. I'm going to change the color to orange or yellow. Yeah. So this is how my chart look like. Okay. So now I have 2 things. I have my normal area of value, and then I have the moving average acting as a dynamic support and resistance for me. So this is the reason I have the moving average on the chart. So once price comes to this zone, I'm going to be looking to sell. So I don't just want to be selling because the market is here. No, I want to wait for my confirmation. So what confirmation? Any of my candlestick confirmation, and then I want to see liquidity. If I don't want to see a lot of buying pressure, if the price is coming to this my area of value, I don't want to see any big candle, anything that's going to push price to the upside. I want to see some slow momentum into this my area of value. So when I'm going to see the slow momentum, then I'm going to be looking to sell this pair. So this is just how I trade. I make it more easy, more simple, not complication. So this is the first pair we're going to be looking at as well. So let's try different pairs, the same rules. I'm going to be trading the GBP USD. So the same rules again. We go down to the forward time frame. So what's the trend on the forward time frame? So this is the first thing. Remember I said what makes us a professional trader is to identify the trend. Is the market in the uptrend or in the downtrend? All right. So if market in a downtrend, we get this 1 to 3 move. So this is where this is our area of value. Okay. So this is where we're waiting for price to come into this our zone. So once I see price come into this my zone, I wait for my confirmation, and I wait for selling opportunity, or I wait for confirmation, I wait for a buying opportunity. So this is how the strategy works. So now we're on the forward time frame. Let me remove the join tools. Let's see our biases on this pair. So GBP USD, as you can see, the market is kind of going sideways. So we just need to identify what the trend we have here. See price go to the upside, and then price come back to the inside. So automatically, for me, these are the kind of pair I like to avoid because I don't see any direction, no good direction here. So I want to see clarity. So this is what one thing I used to tell people. We have about 50 to 60 pairs. I want to see a smooth direction of a pair. If the market is not giving you the direction you want, the market is not giving you what's going to be more explained to you, avoid the pair. So in this, for example, I'm going to avoid this GBP USD. I'm going to find something that gives me a direction. It's going to be more easy. So as you can see, we have the JPY on our chart. I'm going to delete the drawing tools. So we're on the forward time frame. So now what's the trend on the forward time frame? So if you follow the information I gave you, as you can see, we're already on the uptrend. So how do I know we're on the uptrend? Because if you tell me on the uptrend, I'm going to ask you, why do you say we're on the uptrend? So now, these are our definitions. You can see price come down and then go up to the upside. So automatically, it's going to be our buy zone. And then you see if a price finally came to our buy zone, give us our confirmation, and then push to the upside. So if you enter a buy tree, you're going to make profit. So you're going to be our new resistance. You're going to be our new support for the forward time frame. So as you can see, when the price go up and then market come back again into this our zone. So another confirmation is coming up here. So once we see the confirmation here, we need to switch down to the 1 hour time frame for our entry reason. So as you can see, price on the 1 hour time frame, we're waiting for the price to give us a confirmation, and then we'll see the market push to the upside. So there is 2 scenarios this market can work for us as well. We don't need to focus only on the buy. Price can still come down into this previous support. and then we can see the break to the downside as well, and then we wait for the pullback, and then we'll continue to sell. So remember, what I want to see on the lower time frame, I don't want to see any heavy selling pressure. I don't want to see prices coming down and then start breaking lows. No, I want to see some slow momentum. If I see my confirmation price slow down, I'll be looking to buy, or if price gonna break below this level, I'll be looking to sell. So obviously, this is what I look for. I switch down to the 1 hour time frame. I wait for my confirmation, and then I follow what the market is saying. If the market break below, I will be selling. If the market come into this our buy zone, I'll be buying. So this is basically how I trade. This is how I combine the 2 time frame, the higher time frame and the lower time frame. So it has been working for me. It makes trading be very, 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 very easy. So, but as you can see, GBP have been going up for a very, 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 very long period of time. So if you ask me what my takes on the pair, so I'm going to be looking for a reversal. Apparently, I'm going to be looking for a reversal. So if you look into the 1 hour time frame, I'm seeing something like a chart pattern I already played out here, which is our double bottom. I'm sorry, our double top. So as you can see, from the 1 hour time frame, we have the first, then we have the second top. So from the 1 hour time frame trend, as you can see, we're trying to get a reversal to the downside. So to confirm, to get a more clarity, we want to see price break the 4 hour higher time frame, and then we'll be looking to go short on this pair. So this is my take on the GBP/JPY, and these are actually my strategy. So let's check the AUD/USD. All right, so as you can see on the AUD/USD, let's switch again to the higher time frame. Let's see the what analysis happening there. So this price was in a downtrend before. So how do I know it's in a downtrend? Then we get another direction. So you can see the market come here, give us this pullback, and go down. So here was our resistance, here was our support. Price come to this area and then go down again. So here's our support, here's our resistance. As you can see, price finally break above to the upside. So automatically, I don't want to be looking to sell this pair. I'm looking for a buy opportunity. As you can see, price finally come back again to this level and then try to push up. So if we follow the strategy, we switch up to the 1 hour time frame. This will be the perfect entry on the lower time frame. Another confirmation from here will have bought from here. So the price push to the upside, but price is already back again into this area of value. So once you see your confirmation, you can be looking to go long. So for stop loss, put stop loss right below the previous support level. Don't put it very close. Just try to put the stop loss below the low. Don't put it too tight so that you'll not be stop out prematurely. So yeah, so this is my take for the AUD/USD. Or another scenario, we wait for the break of this previous structure level. If market go down below this level, we wait for the pullback and then we start to sell. So one thing about trading, I used to tell traders, the market don't go down forever and the market don't go up forever. So whatever go downs have to go up, whatever go up have to come down. So meaning we're going to get the change of direction. We're going to see the market making higher highs and higher lows. So definitely there's a reversal going to take place. So this is just the nature of the market. This is how the market works. We're not going to be seeing price going up forever and then price going down forever. So let's just try to keep the trading simple. The earlier we know this, the better for all of us. So as you can see, we have the NZ, the JPY as well. So now what is market saying? So if you are new to the channel, you remember we speak about we have 3 types of trend. We have the uptrend, the downtrend, and the consolidation market. So as you can see, price tries to consolidate a bit into the zone, and then we finally have a break to the downside. So yes, this is the break, and then you see we get a pullback. So if you switch down to the 1 hour time frame, if you see down to the 1 hour time frame, you see we get this pullback, another opportunity to sell. So at the minute you sell, you see the confirmation there. At the minute you sell for me, this will be a very good profit to the downside. So the strategy is working. I'm not just saying with my mouth as I go through the pair, so we can see exactly what have happened in the past and then what is currently going to happen in the future as well. So it's price where the break below enter this area of value. So I'm going to wait for the pullback. When market come back again to the zone, I wait for my confirmation to short again, or if I see price break above this previous structure level, I wait for the pullback and then I start to buy. So this is just the basic of the strategy. Strategy is very easy and very, 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 very simple to use. No complication, no analysis paralysis, just follow the higher time frame and the lower time frame, combine what I said to you. So another question I've been asking, people have been asking me, how do I know that the market want to change from uptrend to downtrend? So I'm going to use the drawing tools. As you can see, this area going to represent our support, our resistance, and then when the market pullbacks go up again, you're going to be our new support, you're going to be our new resistance. If the market pull down, we get to the upside, you're going to be our new support, you're going to be our new resistance. If the market pull down and go, we're going to be our new support, our new resistance. So we'll finally see this price break below this support, automatically this is what we know that the market have changed from uptrend to downtrend. So we no longer want to be selling. So we don't want to be buying on this pair, we don't want to be selling. So wait for price to come into this area of value, and then we start to go short. So the same rules again when market comes in our zone, wait for a confirmation, we'll go short. When the price come back again, wait for the confirmation, and then go short. So the same rules, we see price go above this level, we no longer want to be selling again, we want to be buying again. So just try to keep it simple. If you follow this my strategy, you're going to be seeing so many trading opportunity in a day. Also, so now another question I received, which session do I trade? This strategy work perfectly on the Asia and the London session, and also the New York session. So what do I wait for? I already mentioned about how I combine it for the higher time frame and the lower time frame. So if you look at the drawing tools on the charts, we already get the 1 to 3 move. Here's my support, here's my resistance. So when the Asia market opened, you will see price coming down to this level. Maybe we'll get some fee consolidation, and then the London session will come and push price down a bit, and then when price will slow down, we'll wait for our confirmation. So once the London market open, we see our confirmation there, we can be looking to buy this pair. So this is how I time my trading opportunity. This is how I look to go long on this pair. Or if I don't see opportunity on the London session, I wait for the New York session or the US session. That is what I call it. So when the price come into this area of value, that time I finally have a full opportunity to enter the trade. I wait for my confirmation to the upside. So among these 3 sessions, we might see opportunity. It can be the New York, the London, and the Asia session. So once you tune into the session, just wait for price. One thing about this strategy, for every move, whether it's going to be the London, the US, or the Asia session, we're going to see opportunity in the market. So just be patient, follow the strategy rules. And this strategy is a trend trading strategy. Okay, so don't keep it complicated. Don't be buying in the market, also be selling. Don't say, let me just follow this small move, let me just sell. No, don't go against the strategy rules. You stick to the plan of the strategy. If the market say buy, you buy. If the market say sell, you sell. Don't complicate the system, just follow the rules, the instruction. So for risks and take profit tools, please don't risk more than 1 to 2% in your trading account. So just try to keep it simple. If you are risking 1 or 2% in your trading, it's going to help you a lot. Don't over risk, don't over leverage. So if you follow the strategy is about 80% accurate. There is no 100% strategy out there. I'm just the honest truth. So try to keep your trading simple. Don't have a high expectation of averaging. It's not good for your trading. You're going to lose all your capital. So just try to follow the rules. If you follow a good risk management plan, trust me, you're going to be profitable. You will be at 50% correct. So if you are risking $20 to make $40, or you're risking $1,000 to make it $2,000, so definitely you're risking 1 to make 2. So if you have a good risk management in place, you're going to be successful in this trading business. So one thing about trading, people used to think it's all about the strategy. No, it's not only about the strategy, because you can have the best strategy in the world. If you have a good risk management plan and a good trading psychology, you're not going to be a successful trader. So I used to tell traders the one key thing is risk management, because without risk management, the strategy is useless. That is definitely. So we need to focus on our risk management. It's one thing that's just make people just give up on trading. They'll say, trading is a scam. No, trading is not a scam, because you're over leveraging, you're taking a high risk in the market. You have a small capital, you want to be trading a bigger lot size. It's not good for your trading. So just try to keep it simple. Follow the good risk management strategy, a good risk plan. Definitely gonna see the results gonna follow. So these all into this video. This is my trading strategy. This is how I trade, my normal trading routine. I've already shown you all the secret. All the secret have been exposed. So just follow the strategy and let me know in the comment section if it works for you. Drop a comment, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share the video. If you have any question, reach me on my social media. I'm going to link the links shown in the video. Hit me up on Instagram or Facebook or on all social media platforms. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to be uploading more video on the channel. And also in a couple of months time, we're going to be having our trading podcast on this YouTube channel. So there's so many videos going to be coming out. I wish you all the best in your trading. Happy trading. Stay green. I wish you all the best.